Ready to take your crafting game to the next level by combining the rustic charm of buffalo plaid with the sleek precision of vinyl? First, let's talk materials for fabric projects. Heat transfer vinyl, or HTV, is your go-to for hard surfaces like mugs or signs. Use adhesive vinyl. Buffalo plaid comes in many materials, so choose a fabric that suits your project. Cotton and flannel are popular choices, while burlap adds a rustic touch. Next, it's cutting time. Use your cutting machine software to design your image or text. Mirror your design when using HTV. Load your chosen vinyl onto the cutting mat and send it to your machine. Once cut, carefully weed away the excess vinyl using weeding tools, leaving only your desired design. Now for the application. For HTV, preheat your fabric item, position your weeded design, cover with parchment paper, and apply heat and pressure with an iron or heat press according to your vinyl's instructions. For adhesive vinyl, use transfer tape to lift the design from its backing and carefully apply it to your clean, dry surface. Smooth it out to remove any bubbles. And there you have it. Buffalo plaid and vinyl are a match made in crafters heaven. Experiment with different color combinations, fonts, and project types to create unique and personalized items. Happy crafting!